Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when my husband and I go camping, we want a versatile table that we can use not just for cooking, but also for playing cards or other things inside our tent. We got this aluminum alloy table from Naturehike, and it does so much more than just serve as a table. So, this is an IGT module folding table, which means that you can choose different combinations with the slats inside the table to accommodate the outdoor cooking accessories that Nature Hike offers. You can mix and match the different panels, and there's actually a panel with a space to accommodate the stove right in it. It's lightweight, it only weighs 8 pounds, it was easy to move around, and it folds down perfectly into its carrying case. Even though it got dirty, I washed it with just water and a microfiber towel, and it cleaned up perfectly with 0 spots, which I really loved. So, if you're wanting to get into IGT modular cooking outdoors with this amazing table, or just use it like we have for the accessories we already had on hand, you're going to love this one from Nature Hike. And that's my point of view.